In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header color on Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your header so it better matches your brand and gives your store a more polished, professional look. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Find the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This will open a page that shows your themes, with your current live theme listed at the very top. On that current theme, look for the button or link that says Edit Theme or Customize and click it to open the theme editor. When the theme editor loads, you'll see a preview of your store on the right, and on the left, you'll have a panel with different sections of your site. In that left panel, look for the section called Header and click on it. This is where you can control the design and styling of your header area. Inside the header settings, scroll until you find a section labeled Color. Under that, you should see something called Color Scheme, usually with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down. You'll see a list of available color schemes that came with your theme. Choose one from the list and watch the preview on the right side of the screen. As you select different options, you'll see the header color update in real time. Take a moment to test a few schemes and see which one fits your brand best. If you like a particular color scheme but want to tweak the exact header color, you can customize it further. Go back to the color scheme drop down in the left panel. Next to or below the selected scheme, look for an option to edit that scheme. Click Edit to open more detailed color settings. Now you'll see individual controls for different parts of that color scheme. Look for the setting labeled Background. Next to it, there will usually be a small color box with a hex code beside it. Click that color box to open the color picker. From here, you can drag around the picker or type in a specific hex code to choose a precise color. As you make adjustments, keep an eye on the preview on the right to see how your header changes. Once you're happy with how your header looks, go up to the top right of the editor and click Save. Give it a moment to apply the changes. After saving, your new header color is live on your Shopify store.